So we're about to start our LED strip light. It comes in 3 parts. So you've got your LED strip there, you've got your mounting, and you've got the diffuser. Where's that middle piece now? So we fit up the wire into the back of the switch. There we get the LED. So we temporarily just paused it a bit just to get it to work. But at least we know everything works on that switch. There we go. So we'll move on to moving that in.
Yeah, that's right.
This is more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So there's a little clip at the end that's got holes in to allow you to feed the wires through. Not successful this time. I'm trying to get the wires to lay properly in the clip so that when I stick the strip in, the wires will lay in the right order, so that when we connect the wiring up and feed it through, then hopefully it will actually work. Clips, you can put the clip in either way. There we go. So now the wires lay in the correct order, and we've got the sticky stuff. Self-adhesive strip at that side. happy with that. It's like a snake coming up here. It's deciding where to put it. Trying to keep it straight. It's strange. You look at this, you think, oh, it's going in straight, that. And then when you come to do it, you look at it down the strip and you think, that's not in the right place. So the pins are offset slightly. So what happens is when you try to put it in, it only goes one way. There we go. It just follows the profile of the strip that's up here. There we go. So last bit is the strip that goes in there. Just got to measure that for size. So we'll cut that. Yeah, it's in smooth now, that. So now to wire it up. So it's fitted. Just got the wires to do at that end. We've now got this strip light wired up on a separate switch here. It's not really bright, so I'm assuming once it gets a bit dark, it'll be a bit better. So we've just had a surprise delivery from our postman. What he's done is he's brought us our insulated panels for our windows. These are for the front windows. They have got stickers here that you pop into the holes. You put these into the window. This is for the side windows, that is. So you can see we've got silver on one side and a total section on the other. The front one's just the same, so it's just larger in size, and it's got a little cutout there for the rear view mirror. On our van we haven't got a rear view mirror, so we won't be too fussed about that. But all you're going to be doing if you're going to be buying one of these is putting the suckers into these holes and then using them to attach it to the screen. A little bit larger than I thought when it comes to packing it up. So we'll try and get it all together. There we go. It's not too big, but like anything else, it will take up some room in the van. So that's our option rather than having curtains at the front. So we're going to be using these blinds on a night. Now, but one of the big questions most people want to know is, what do you do about going to the loo? So basically in the van, because we've got no shower, we have got a porta-loo that we'll pull out from a cupboard when we need to use it. And this is the one that's been chosen. So it's a separate toilet from number 2. So let's take it out and have a look what it is. So here it is. It's just like a normal porta-loo. So it does exactly what I'm assuming everything else does. So it's got a separate one at the back and a separate one at the front to keep the water and the solids separate. It looks a bit short at the moment, but it has got a little magic trick to get it to full size. There we have it. So there we have it. This section takes off that and gives you the extra height so that it is a normal height seat. So again, it does the same job as a normal porta loop. I think you're going to be putting sawdust in or something like that to get some of the waters out of the solids, but this section is easily put down into this. So let's see if we can do that in one go. So let's give you a demonstration. So lifting it off here, put it in that position there, gets it down to a smaller size, so this is easily stored. And then when you want to use the loop, all you're doing is separating these two. Just trying to think which way it is. Oh, it's that way, I think. Yeah, there we go. So you turn it and it's back round. So it's now a full-size loop. So nice and easy, nice and quick. Didn't want to mess about with the chemicals like you're doing a chemical toilet. So this is just another alternative. And if you wanted one, that's the manufacturer. So we've now put our wiring down here into our Serbo, and hopefully we're going to get some readings from that, which will tell us which tank we have wired up. Because we're running 2 wires into, well, 4 wires into 2, we're not sure which one we've plugged in at the moment, whether it's going to be the waste tank that it's going to come up with or the freshwater tank. So the app tells us quite a bit of information. Obviously we've got the just press on that one, there we go. So it's telling us at the moment we've got some water going in, but not very much. It's taking quite a while to fill up, and our wastewater is empty, which is what we need to know. So setting this up just to make sure that everything does work. So over the last few days we've made quite a bit of progress. We've got the LED light fitted above the sink unit. That'll give us some more light on that prep area above the sink. We've got the Victron and the Serbo talking to each other, so they're communicating to let us know what our water system is going to be like, whether it be the fresh water or the waste. And obviously we've taken in a few deliveries for other items that we've had delivered this week, such as the composite toilet and also the screens that we're going to be fitting on the windscreen. So as always, if you like what you see, we would appreciate a thumbs up, and if you want to follow along with the progress of the van, then obviously a subscription would be a great idea. So we'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now.